Let us move ahead. We thank for your patience also. Uh, let me thank few more dignitaries who have joined us today. Mr. Mohammad Asfaq Uddin, General Manager, Marketing Commercial, Nivista Pharma Limited, Bangladesh. Mr. Chanmay Mitra, thank you, sir, for joining us. Mr. Prashant Menon and Ms. Gauri Chaudhary, thank you so much. And now we move to our next speaker, Mr. Kanwaljit Singh Chopra. He will be speaking on the topic strategy execution for Revital. Let's GOG Bharke sir, wonderful brand ambassador for the product. Kanwaljit Singh Chopra is a soft skills facilitator trainer and coach and mentor with 39 years of experience in sales and marketing in Ranbaxy Laboratories Limited. He has an extensive experience in therapy areas like antibiotics, respiratory medicine, hematinics, and more. His specialities include business development, business operations, coaching, human resources, customer relations, and many more. I hand over the session to you, Kanwaljit sir.
Yeah, thank you, Swati ma'am, and very happy birthday to you, Professor Vivek. And before me, several distinguished speakers have, spoken on a variety of subjects. Dr. Sunjay Mitra, Dr. Sandeep, Amlesh Ranjan ji, Ashish ji, Bhaskar ji, Dr. Natarajan, and my dear friend, Mr. Pramod Rajput. So after the majestic story of all these brands, Metrogyl, Essilor, Bicosuls, and Remipril, etc., Ranbaxy itself. So here is you might be wondering why Galib here. Well, Galib is Galib, or the product I'm going to mention here is what made Ranbaxy known to the world over. Started in 1961 with a collaboration with the Shionogi of Japan, and later on with Leptit of Italy. Ranbaxy came to fore with the brand called Compose. So the first launch literature was with a couplet on the front page. कोई उम्मीद बर नहीं आती, कोई सूरत नजर नहीं आती, मौत का एक दिन मुय्यन है, नींद क्यों रात भर नहीं आती. So we used to sit open the second page, and then there was written Compose. Dear doctor, Ghalib was disillusioned, anxious, and depressed. So he was not able to sleep. Not that won't happen to your patients because Compose is now available. So later on, we had brand extensions, Compose syrup and Compose injections. And next is another quote: "For all the happiness mankind can gain, it's not in pleasure, but in rest from pain," by John Dryden. So it said, Dr. John Dryden rightly said that, but now pain is so endurable now with Fortwin. So Compose and Fortwin put together, you can't think of a surgery without these two brands, So that gives Ranbaxy really that prestige and reputation, and which was repeated with several other brands like Gramonac, Tetadox, Roslin, Fortwin, Compose, Revital, and Cifran. And most of these brands, given different months and years, they were appearing in the Indian pharma market top 10 brands. And next is a better experience than explained. This was a theme line for Revital. So Revital contains ginseng, traditional medicine used for centuries, nearly 5,000 years, the drug being or the root being used, exerts full effect only when 17 saponins or ginsenosides are present. Now, this concept of ginsenosides and their balanced presence was brought in by Ranbaxy, because before us, there were a couple of brands of ginseng available. They were giving only pulverized root or the root powder, and thereby they were often passed on as a herbal or Ayurvedic drugs, therefore not seen with respect at that time by doctors. So ginseng is used for prophylaxis against aging, so anti-aging, disease, and general well-being of the population. So thus, Revital is a properly balanced formula with vitamins and minerals for optimum vitalizing effects. So now there was a one clincher in Revital promotion strategy, which was that Revital contains 5 times concentrated, highly standardized ginseng extract in a semi-solid form. and that was from the root of a red Korean Panax ginseng. All this, the entire Ranbaxy's promotion, of Revital that evolved and revolved around these couple of lines. So standardize means that if you pluck or pull out the root at a premature time, dry it and pulverize it. That's what most competitors were doing at that time. So you have a unspecified, unknown quantities of all those 17 saponins. The active ingredients were passed on to into the formulation and therefore to the patients. But when you standardize as a concentrate, each and every capsule will have a uniform presence of ginseng, and therefore all the 17 saponins or ginsenosides. So red Korean Panax ginseng was the best quality of the ginseng available in the world. Incidentally, when the Revital was launched, we were already having our Chinese operations in a city called Gonjua, which is one of the very well-known and reputed famous industrial city. Revital had a simple mode of action. Ginseng stimulates metabolic activity of tissues or cells, which enhances body demand for vitamins and minerals. Now, people ask, why do you give then vitamins and minerals if ginseng was stimulating it? So we used to say Revital itself contains all those 21 minerals and vitamins and trace elements. Therefore, the demand is satisfied by the well-balanced combination of minerals, vitamins in the Revital formulations. So, well, now this product, before it was launched, there was enough, I would say, hype or a kind of a aura being created around the product that a great product is coming. Our marketing head, Mr. S.C. Chakravarti, who rarely smiled, he has started smiling, while preparing for Revital launch, and a golden pack will come, this and that, and then happened our launch meetings. Revital has got 6 major effects. It has anti-fatigue activity, anti-stress activity, adaptogenic activity, psychomotor performance, physical stamina, and mental efficiency. Now, all these 6 benefits of Revital was used in one of the other campaigns against in one of the other specialties, and often Revital was taken as a panacea for energy or for weakness. Why? Because of all these 6 qualities it had. For example, sometimes doctors asked us, is it a aphrodisiac? We said, no, sir, it's not an aphrodisiac, because it has got anti-stress activity. Your patient has got a general feeling of well-being, and therefore the overall performance, it increases. Adaptogenic helps stamina. Similarly, mental efficiency makes the learning coming more easily, and physical stamina, performance of athletes and gymnasts also increased. Similarly, psychomotor performance gives you a general agility of mind and body. Revital has a liver protective activity. Now, this single line, I don't know how it traveled to the field, and people who used to drink alcohol, at least I can say that in Punjab, in the evening, people will line up, in chemist shop after their, liquor, shot, to take their dose of Revital, and they felt fine in the morning. They said no hangovers. Now, that's not a very specific activity of the drug, but this is how this was made a cult brand, and there were so many stories and anecdotes related to Revital coming up. Revital was promoted, as I said, in various indications in various specialties. Revital reduces physical and mental efficiency, fatigue and exhaustion and lassitude. Physical and mental stress was alleviated. Inability to concentrate or sleep was cured. Irritability was reduced. They become socially better off, in families and social circles. Debility of all kinds was, corrected, and convalescence from prolonged illness. This was a very major indication where Revital was accepted in a very large manner, like so much so that almost all the specialties, they, surgeons, oncos, then cardiologists, and they, all surgeons for that matter, or all other physicians, they started using it as a drug for or tonic for convalescence and helping patients to recover from the prolonged illnesses. So Revital had summary of benefits: reduces muscle fatigue and increases mental efficiency, helps in more effective management of chronic and stressful conditions, so therefore in all chronic illnesses, including skin and orthopedics, and also in psychiatry or neuropsychiatry, our Revital was used in a very large quantities and in a large precision number of physicians they came from that area. Just once a day dosing, so has a very convenient once a dosage schedule and was safe, could be taken for a prolonged period. Like though we did recommend that after say 3 months, 6 months, you can take a 2 weeks or 14 days off and then again start, so that it doesn't give you a kind of a psychological dependence. So Revital pre-launch, lot of inside stories that I told you. One about Mr. Chakravarti traveled, and this drug will take care of all the fatigue. Your learning will be better, and your mental faculties will function much better. And then happened the brand launch meet, and a lot of motivation was built up during the interactions with the all from marketing and sales. At that time, I recall Mr. Chakravarti was he was VP marketing, and Mr. Rajiv Gulati, who later on was MD of Eli Lilly in US. He was our marketing manager, and then Mr. R.K. Roda was a sales manager. So all these three gentlemen, they led from the front and built such a picture of Revital that we were all full of energy, enthusiasm, passion, and will do something, and these two brands which were already there in the market, one from Dufer and one from B, they tried to kind of demoralize that we are multinationals and we are also large company. When we could not sell ginseng, how could we sell this herb? Has nothing in it, this and that, right? So we decided not to target any direct competition. We didn't even target B complex and multivitamin prescribers. We made the brand available in a sufficient quantity at all target near all target doctors. Only 10 KOLs were started to begin with, were picked up for Revital, and they were core doctors, met twice or thrice in a month. And for these 10 doctors, we got very special inputs, which was neatly packed was Revital's 10s pack, and along with a key pouch, and also was a small wallet. So we were giving them 10 capsules, not the wallet, etc., but 10 capsules every 10 days to these 10 doctors, and also to some selected 15 doctors from rest of the CIS, which we had nearly, CIS means doctors list. So we had nearly 25 doctors to begin with. And though out of enthusiasm, we started talking to everyone, and because other doctors started asking that we hear that you have got a beautiful tonic and Revital has come, show us the pack, because pack itself was a beauty to look at, yes, we tracked precisions which came up almost immediately. For retailers, we had availability card, and these cards were used by people, and then some incentive was there also, I guess, on if you approach a good number of retailers. So just I recall nostalgically this year 1989, when we made not one brand Revital, but also another brand called Cifran, which came nearly 4 or 5 months after Revital did. So Revital was instantly grabbed by HCPs, and patients immediately, they started using it after it was introduced. Well, two brands, B is the Ginseng and Gensec, Dufer was available, but both didn't work for them. And the name Revital itself took the market by storm. Golden Pack was something which was not seen in the Indian market before by at least a precision company. The one small feature, that is soft gel with paste, was very effectively used by us in particularly geriatric practitioners and in ladies who didn't feel like swallowing the large capsule. So we told doctor that the capsule is soft gelatin, which can be cut open from one side. The content can be squeezed out just like you squeeze out a toothpaste, and mix them, though they don't taste so bad, so foul, but yet you can mix them. Because of B complex, there will be some off smell. So mix it with jam or honey and give it to the patient, or take it yourself. And detailing, very enthusiastic detailing was done, and monograph was also there, which were given to the selected doctors. All the doctors, they loved the concept and all its 6 major actions. The standardized formulation set Revital apart from Ayurvedic or herbal preparations. Thereby, we were able to tell them that balanced saponins are there, and Revital indeed was 5 times more effective than other Korean ginseng formulations. GPs, cardio-diabeto, chest physicians, and ortho, they almost immediately took to Revital. So Revital, entire promotion for several years revolved around just 2 lines or 2 adages. One was, doctor, please prescribe Revital. Revital relaxes mind and body. And any question, we used to suitably try to answer it, and then said, better experience than explained. Use it, use it, use it, use it. So day in and day out, we are creating, prescribers. So much so that for several occasions, there were objections by doctors that see, because in the meantime, copycats have also come. Other golden, tonics capsules have also come. So they'll you visit them and they'll take out a couple of strips and say, now this is also come and available at 1/5 or 1/4 the price. So I recall a very interesting incident. One such doctor asked that, like, why should I prescribe yours? This has come, this cost me, my patient, just 1 rupee a capsule. So my colleague, rather than coming to me, he was able to handle it there and then, he said that, and beautifully said he, that, doctor, if you make some village lass, a village girl, wear a Bharatanatyam sari, will she be able to dance Bharatanatyam the same way as Hema Malini will dance? And doctor was into, splits, and we, got the doctor converted back, or rather he didn't take on to the imitation. So golden pack, here also story was woven that when there was no currency, or there was a bartering system in ancient times, the ginseng root, dried root was, sold in exchange of gold. That was the kind of, value was associated with the Revital. And also that Oriental countries, Revital is used as food, or ginseng is used as food in, chutneys, in preserves, juices, and beverages. First mover advantage, we didn't have any, because earlier 2 brands, they had not been able to sell the concept. So we had to kind of launch ginseng in the country. So standardized ginseng was the hallmark of Revital, and this separated it from other Ayurvedic herbal or plant-based drugs, and brought Revital on the same scientific pedestal as Distillace or quinine and high-end therapeutic formulations. So much so that we had stimulated by the success of Revital, we were able to launch at least 2 or 3 herb-based products. Civilar, the Silimarine for liver infections or liver disorders, and also we had Ginkgo biloba for tinnitus and increasing circulation. So Revital, besides bearing testimony of millions of users in target indications, prestigious NIS or National Institute of Sports conducted trials in sports person. I recall Dr. Ashim and Dr. Ghosh. There are 2 doctors in Patiala, NIS. who gave us very exhaustive reports on increased stamina because and performance of the sports person, because Revital was reducing the lactic acid in the muscles. Beautiful report. This spurred Revital further, and we were able to get very sizable precisions supported with this evidence. So Revital, though, was a herb-based product, but did have enough scientific support because of ginsenosides, saponins, standardized extract, and then these trials by NIS Patiala. The positioning was changed after some time from as a health supplement to the freedom from fatigue, from a energy capsules to get energized and recharge, refresh, from a medicines, make your patients a go-getter. Side effects, there were none. So do more and achieve more. It's not an unnatural drug because it's a natural drug. So you feel young in the mind and in the body, feel in a natural way. So Revital, better experience than explained, samples, gifts, website. Well, we were physical as early as in 1990 because My Revital was a site and a lot of activity was there happening at that time with the Revital quiz and Revital ask samples, all that those activities, and doctors very willingly and enthusiastically participated in such activities. Visual aids, leave behind literatures, then trials, small trials were done in phase 4 trials were done in hospitals and sports departments. And in 4 months, Revital became a robust brand, having exceeded all expectations. I mean, individual targets, head office targets, all were duly met. And I take pride in saying that at 100,000 shifts per month, I was a top seller in the country of Revital at that time. And now not so much with Revital now involvement required. We created a blockbuster with Cifran in 1989, half 2. That is, in fact, it was launched in April itself. Cifran we launched in the April or May, April 28th, I guess, of 89, and it was already a brand by year end. There also something happened, unfortunate thing. There were terrorists shot down few people in Shakha, RS Shakha in Moga, and these bullet injuries, they came with very bad wounds, peritonitis and here and there, all soft tissue injuries. And Dr. Kim J. Menon, a friend in CMC, was wondering, what to do. So he, on my request, he started using Cifran, and rest is a history. Even today, after about say 39 years, 32 years, Cifran is prescribed by name in CMC. Never a single marketing outfit has created 2 mega brands in the country. I at least I don't know any other set of any other duo of drugs or brands which have ever succeeded in a single month or a single half. There was some overlap period in 2005-2006. Revital went to though this was a domain which I was not directly responsible, but I did a little bit of research to find that there were these 4 gentlemen, Yuvraj, Salman, Dhoni, and Akshay Kumar, who were made brand ambassadors for Revital with the Hasmukh Bhai, Bhag Daud Bhari Zindagi, and Thakna Mana Hai. So Revital in 15th was a super brand and a category leader in Reader Digest R&D Reader Digest survey. Number 1, celebrity endorsement, radio TV ads, user and retailers contest, money back guarantee. Very interesting. Purchase Revital and in 21 days, you can return it if you are not satisfied. So never before pharmaceutical formulation was ever given a guarantee of this kind. So automatic mobile recharge, free samples on request, free quantity, you buy it 20, you get 25 capsules, something like that, and also bonus. Kiosk, bus stops and lobbies were all adorned with the Revital standees and posters and billboards. Get a chance to work out with UV was another good campaign which was done by our global healthcare division. Mobile marketing, your account has been recharged. What about you? Have you been recharged? So get recharged with Revital. Show this message to any chemist and get a free sample of Revital Geo G Bharke. Well, QR codes are now common and well known, but not so in 2015. So you get used to get a QR code, scan it, and your mobile used to get charged. So very innovative things were done for Revital. One Ranjit Kapadia, who is a top vice president of a large, FMCG company, says that Revital is positioned at a perfect mix of product, promotion, and price. Another information, Brijesh Kapil, who is now another in a different company, says that we had a sampling campaign. We saw 12 million sample capsules being distributed through magazines in 6 months' time, with a 21 days money back guarantee if you purchase, with that. So according to ORG IMS reports, Revital continuously moved up in rank among top 10 brands in India at some point of time. It had also appeared in amongst the top 5 brands in Indian OTC market as per the Nicholas Hall Yearbook 2009. Interesting quote: "Content is a king, but marketing is a queen, and runs the household." Yeah, by Gary Vaynerchuk. So there were obstacles, there were SSSI problems. Sometimes drug inspector will be, they'll be cuffing on our necks that like your drug is containing B complex. So how can you promote as a, how can you combine a herbal and this thing together? So we'll be able to. Sometimes they'll say gelatin is a, non-veg thing. So how can if you pass it for this thing? Put a red dot. We resisted for some time, but now Revital comes with a red dot. So a cult brand Revital was an umbrella under which capsules, Revital Women, Revital Senior, Revital Ginkgo, Revital Liquid, Revital Garlic were introduced and grew. So Revital Calcium, Revitalite Protein. So all those things were available. So this is how Revital Kingdom looks like. My kingdom is no match to yours, Pramodji. That was magnificent, but then, this is how Revital looks. And different geographies they are promoting in different names, different formulations. And well, I have grateful thanks to convey to Ma'am Swati, Professor, Vivek, and Dr. Satish, and rest everyone at Pharma State who has toiled so hard for this program, and great learning for me as a person. And 44 years in this industry, I can take satisfaction that I have given my bit to it. So currently I am associated with Chitkara University as an external faculty. Thank you so much, and remembering and loving and cherished memories of Dr. Tarun Gupta, with whom I spent some time, when he was in Ranbaxy, and I even happened a proud privilege of selecting the name of Solus division, later on sold as Stride to the company based in Bangalore. And Reverend Dr. Chitra Mitra, your memories will stay engraved in our minds. Thank you so much, all, and not to forget all those luminaries sitting as audiences, and I time to time been learning a lot from all of them. And thank you, sirs and ma'ams, if there is any. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kanwaljit sir. There is no ma'am here. It's Swati only.
Yes, Swati ma'am. नहीं मैम, स्टूडेंट्स में हो सकता है ना, कोई ब्रांड में हो सकता है.
Yes, sir. But thank you so much for all the GOG Bharke journey. This tagline is so much impressed in our minds. Whenever anyone speaks about Revital, we see Salman Khan and we see GOG Bharke. That is the way this brand.
But I will not, fail to say that before it was given to Salman Atal, we at Pharma Marketing, Ranbaxy Pharma, have done a very good job in making Revital
Exactly,
from
sir.
where they took it out.
Exactly, sir. You positioned it so well, you marketed it so well. You gave a wonderful line to remember, a perfect mix of product, promotion, and price. It was.
Yeah,
So,
this
what a
was
journey.
this was feedback from field.
Right, sir. Let me take up a few questions. Okay, everyone is reminiscing about the brands. That is so nice to hear. They remember this particular brand. Question has come: how to establish a generic brand with similar brands available in the market with almost similar pricing?
So I think here, just like if I go with my portfolio, to a particular customer, I have to sell myself. So in case of selling generic formulations, I guess I first need to sell me as a company. You will be surprised to see that even after acquisition of Ranbaxy nearly uh, 5 or 6 years back, even today the generic formulations of Ranbaxy are sold are of Astral Ranbaxy are sold not as New Sun but as a Ranbaxy. They still carry Ranbaxy stamp. So that trust element has to be there. So well. At a broader level, as a distributor, when you go to distributors, you have to establish you as a person who will be able to assist them, in case of any rate fluctuation. Because generic brands are all mostly, Me Too brands and selling in large quantities, and you can never know when will they go into the NLEM thing, kind like thing, or stuff like that. That kind of guarantee is required to your by your dealers. So if you are able to ensure people on that you are a man of credibility, and you stand by them selling it, and then in the field, customers have no problem, because they sooner or later they buy it. For example, like I don't go and buy Jan Aushadhi because my trust is not there, right? Jan Aushadhi gives me and my wife take a Telmisartan, right? So the tablet is available at the price of one tablet. We can get 15 tablet of generic from Jan Aushadhi, right? But I would prefer buying that 220 strips of Telmisartan from Dr. Reddy's full price. Yeah, my chemist give me 10% discount. But
I would like to make a very important point. Often have been saying that pharma industry should look beyond pharma and look at the other industries. But from what I'm hearing today, for the first time, probably, OTC industry has adopted from pharma. He talked about better experience than explained. That was the tagline of
yeah, precision.
and this is the same thing which has been adopted by Ghadi detergent. पहले इस्तेमाल करे फिर विश्वास करे. I am very happy to say that the other industries have started adopting from the pharma industry. Cheers to Ranbaxy tea.
Thank you, sir. We are no more known as Ranbaxy, unfortunately.
Anyway, that's a different story altogether.
Professor, when I retired, rather when Ranbaxy was acquired by Sun, my only regret was that my granddaughter, who was at that time nearly 1 year old, when she will grow and ask me, Nanu, which company you worked for 40 years? I will not have a reply to give.
Thank you so much, Kawaljit. Now we
Yeah,
take over
yeah.
to our next speaker.